I just finished this model of Hawker Hurricane Mk1. It is of the 85 Squadron when it was based in Lille-Seclin in France. If I pronounced that wrongly, don't mind. During 1940, exactly 80 years ago to the month, that the real thing was there. It's Airfix built, Airfix tooling, one of the new tools. I used Revel green and emerald for the light brown. A little bit of decal soft for the make sure the decal's stuck on properly, especially the bit around the corner is always a bit of a tricky bit on the tail to wrap around the edge, but a little bit of softener, sorted that out. Did a lot of detail in the cockpit, but as usual you'll never see it, but you know it's there, as they say. I was very pleased that the propeller can be moved. You put that one on last in this tooling, the way Airfix has designed it now. You can put it on as a whole sub-assembly. Put some decal softener on the patch which covers the gun ports after they've been reloaded, so you can see a little bit underneath where the gun ports would be a little bit of dusting to indicate that they've been fired. There's a little bit more brown dust into the wheels themselves, and on the side I mucked it up a bit. I can't really see that, but a little bit of dirt effect with some pastels where the wheels have kicked up some mud. Very pleased with the headlights as well, because you can back paint them, so a bit of spot of silver in the middle where the bulb is, where the surrounding would be just the inside of the wing, the darkness, paint that black. And yeah, not really many fit issues. Where there was a little bit of filler, we'll sort it out. You can pose the tail rudder, pose the rudder on the tail in, well, it's posable, so whatever position you want on it. Obviously I'm talking rubbish here, but some nice texture to the wings. You see the rippling of the, probably would have been fabric at the time when it's a Mk1 Hurricane. The gas attack patch, which, as people have said, by the time you've figured out that patches turn colour, you've turned colour of colour of dead. But there we are. I didn't know any better in the time. Yeah, watered down black to get a smoother finish. This is all hand painted. But there we go. That's Airfix's recent tooling of the Hawker Hurricane Mk1.